SDR quota attainment is garbage, and here's the reason. Templated and bulk sales emails and LinkedIn DMs don't work anymore. I'm not going to tell you they never did, because the honest truth is they kind of used to. And I was part of the problem at one point. When I last ran a sales team, it was 2017, and the SDRs that we had hired were sending 20,000 emails per month to set 200 meetings per month. We were starting to do things like having one SDR manage multiple inboxes. We were cracking the nut on early forms of deliverability improvements. And even in the first year or two of running Revenue Zen, we helped our clients build these kinds of cold mass outbound programs. And they were ridiculously effective, even if they felt kind of awful to run. But that's not the case anymore. And quota attainment today is less than 30%. Whereas in the past, 2013, 2018 or so, you used to shoot for 60 to 90% quota attainment across your team. I was always shooting for 100% because I wanted everyone on my team to hit. And financially, the SDR model works amazingly well at 80% quota attainment or more. It works okay at 50 to 60, and at less than 40% attainment, it becomes this gaping black hole of money that you're pouring cash into month in, month out. And one of the worst parts is that the poor SDRs, many of whom would be happier and more productive as community managers, as social media creators, or even AE, are now stuck with these poor numbers on their resume. And my question is now, how long is it going to take before change happens at the executive and the board member level, where you're no longer addicted to the techniques that worked for your last company or your friend's portco because you think you're doing what's tried and true? At some point, though, you're going to need to stop the bleeding, right? And I don't know when that day is going to come, but I know that smart companies have already reduced the size of their SDR teams, but they've taken a bigger look at demand gen, at social media, and the best ones are looking at community marketing, at building out evangelist teams instead. And that's where the industry is going, so I figure you may as well be as early to the party as possible to that.